Okay, so you are welcome to Magic Maths. Okay, today we are going to look at applications of the laws of indices. Okay, the last time we solved problems involving the laws of indices, right? We solved examples of questions involving the applications of the laws of indices. Okay, so today we are going to continue with the same procedure. We are going to look at how to solve similar questions. Okay, so anytime you encounter any question involving the applications of the laws of indices, you know how to tackle it by looking at this example. Okay, so now looking at this example, right, I'm going to take this example and I'm going to solve questions involving it, right, on the applications of the laws of indices. The first one, we have y is equal to s to the power b minus a times s to the power c minus b times s to the power a minus c times s to the power b minus a, right? So this is a question that we are going to tackle. This is a question that we are going to solve. Okay, so you pay a rapt attention as I explain it further. Okay, so here we have s is equal to, now we are going to expand this, right? We need to expand it. This was obtained based on the laws of what? Indices. Okay, now per the laws of indices, right, before you add, right, before you add, or if you want to add, then it means there was a multiplication, right? If you want to divide, it means, if you want to subtract, it means there is what? A division. Okay, now when you see this, you can see there is a multiplication. It means that there was this thing. We have s to the power b minus a. It means that there was a multiplication before these two were added together, right? Now if you expand this, if you want to expand it, you have s to the power a times, or dot. The dot here means times s to the power minus b. Because there is a multiplication sign here, that's why I didn't bring the same multiplication, right? I use the dot to separate the multiplication sign of this and this. Okay, now times, then we have s to the power b dot, right? Here you can see s to the power b minus c. Okay, here we have s to the power b dot s to the power minus c, right? So in the same way we expanded this as dot here. The same vein here, we also expanded this s to the power c dot s to the power minus a. We have this. Okay, now when you come here, we have s to the power minus b minus s to the power b minus a. So here we expanded this as s to the power minus a dot s to the power minus b. Okay, now when we come here, right, when we come here, we are going to rewrite this, okay, by application of the laws of indices. Okay, now when you see something like this, right, when you see something like this, it means that we are going to rewrite in their original form. So we have s to the power a dot s to the power minus b. Now per the laws of indices, right, s to the power minus b will give me 1 over s to the power b. So this is what I have it here. So I multiply it with the s to the power a. So I rewrite it in this form, right? So s to the power minus b will give me s to the power what? B times, this is s to the power b over s to the power minus c will give me 1 over s to the power c. So I write it in this form. Now s to the power c times s minus a. This will give me s to the power c over s to the power a. So s to the power minus a will give me 1 over s to the power a. So I have it here. Now when you come here, you have s to the power minus a dot s to the power minus b. S to the power minus a will give me 1 over s to the power a. So I have it here. Times, you also have s to the power minus b. So this will also give me what? S to the power b, right? So I have this as what? One of the answers, as my answer. So we have minus s to the power minus a, which is 1 over s to the power a, times s to the power minus b will give me 1 over s to the power b. So this is the multiplication of my answer. Okay, now when you look at this, you realize that s to the power a is here. We also have s to the power a. So this will automatically cancel this, right? Now we have s to the power b. This is also s to the power b. It means that this will cancel this. You have s to the power c, this also s to the power c. This will also cancel this. So it means I will be left with this, right? So here I rewrite my answer as y is equal to 1 over s to the power a dot s to the power b. Okay. Now per the laws of indices, okay. Now when you are multiplying, what you do, it means that you are going to add. So s to the power a dot s to the power b. So the laws of indices, it means that I'll add a to b. I'll add a to b. So here in multiplication, we have s to the power a dot s to the power b. So this will give me s to the power a plus b. So it means that the result for this question, right? The result for this question will give me y is equal to 1 over s to the power a plus b. Now this can be rewrite again if you want to rewrite it. So it means that if you want to rewrite this, I will come back, or I'll have my result as this, right? When this one come up, we have s minus a minus b, right? So it means that if I want to rewrite it in this form, I can have my result as this, right, as the equation. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay.